I'm Salonis Reviews Jr., and I'm here to help you decide what to love making next. Here we have the Michael Myers house by a company. There he is. From Building Boat. We got this as part of our Halloween extravaganza of building of Halloween stuff. Can't really see the back because there's a lot of stickers, but it looks fun because there's Michael Myers there, and there's a bunch of fun neat little features. Of course, you have to have the pumpkin, as always. It's for ages 6+. It has 586 pieces. Now let's open this up. I like these tabs because I don't need to use the box cutter, although the box cutter is fun. There we go. Alright, let's see. There that is. That's big. Appears we have 9 bags that seem, I think, are numbered. I think they're numbered because this one says like 1-1, 1-2, 1-3. So maybe there's like parts to this build or something? I don't know. But this is the instruction manual guide. Yeah. It's very nice. I like that. Let's take a look. Yes, it comes with one of those easy to use tool things. And there's that size chart. All the pieces. Different bag numbers. That's Michael Myers. That's the top part of the house, and that's the bottom of the house. And here's instructions. Seem fairly easy to follow. Shouldn't be too hard, except for the many big pieces I'm seeing. The iconic pumpkin, scorpion for some reason. This looks like it's gonna be a really cool video. Very cool build, too. So, yeah. That's the Michael Myers house. Thank you for watching Stalloner's Reviews. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to reach 125 subscribers by the end of October.
Because we already made 100 subscribers. Yay! Thank you very much, everybody!
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.